The most exciting 2 minutes in sports happens tomorrow.
Mañana.
The Kentucky Derby.
That's right.
You know what? What better way to celebrate than with a mint julep?
That gorgeous
Do you have a
piece
better
right
way to
there.
celebrate?
No.
Okay, I didn't think
The
so.
limit does not exist,
All right.
as I like to say. It's an iconic drink, and it's been the official cocktail of the Kentucky Derby since 1939. So our next guest is going to show us how to make the perfect one. You know him, you love him. Flynn, Senior Editorial Director for Food and Wine. Welcome back, sir. Have you been in the new studio?
I haven't. This is a beautiful studio.
Welcome. Thank you for the beautiful housewarming gifts.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you. These are
I
fantastic.
couldn't have asked for anything better.
Okay, Kentucky Derby. If you're not betting on horses, or maybe while you're betting on horses, why not have a julep
Yes.
in hand?
Of
Everyone
course.
knows that the original, which is the mint.
Yes.
The mint julep. Talk to us about this.
So we are going to make the traditional mint julep today, which is really, really simple. So the nice thing is that it's so easy to make.
Yeah.
So it's 8 mint leaves. Just throw them right in.
Just right in.
Half ounce of simple syrup.
That he made himself.
I did.
He
at home.
slaved
Thank
over it.
you.
So
Thank you.
You'll get a muddler. The muddler has like a sharp end, and mainly they tell you to use that. I don't like using it because it shreds the mint leaves.
Oh.
So what I like to use is actually the other end because it gets the oils out of it really nicely.
He's
Inside secrets.
very intrepid maker of libations.
Of course, because nobody wants mint like in their teeth.
No, that's not a good look.
On the breath, not in the teeth.
Yeah.
Exactly. So 2 ounces of bourbon, Kentucky bourbon is always a good way to go.
Obviously, don't be ridiculous.
From Louisville, preferably.
From Louisville.
Louisville.
course.
You say it like you have marbles in your mouth.
Is
Of
that
course.
it? That's how you do it? Okay.
And then just top with some crushed ice,
Okay.
and you're good to go.
And that's it.
Super simple.
How about a stir?
I feel like the crushed ice when you get it at a
It is early.
when you get the crushed ice in a julep at an establishment, it is always overwhelmingly overflowing out the top of the vessel.
Of the
It
vessel.
is.
Okay, can we talk? You brought up my next question. The vessel. You cannot. I mean, I suppose you could, but it's an elevated experience to have a mint julep.
Very fancy. Where are our
out of
hats?
this business.
It is.
This is metal. What is this?
I believe so.
I hope so.
Pewter?
Maybe it's pewter.
It looks like a goblet from the Game of Thrones era.
This is. Can we taste?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right,
Please
so
do.
this is the original.
This is yours.
This is the OG.
Thank
Ooh, that's
you.
nice and cold.
L'chaim.
It is.
L'chaim.
Cheers.
Mazel. Chendan.
You're not afraid of that
Oh
bourbon.
my God, it
I
is
am not.
strong
Sean Flynn.
and
It's
delicious.
Friday.
That'll slap you right in the face, Marisol. But we have 2 others because we're so blessed on this Friday.
Yes.
Next one.
So my thing is, I always like to go on riffs of classic cocktails.
Yeah,
that's why we love you.
Thank you. So we've got 2 great ones right here. We've got a bourbon tea, which this one, it's a little bit more complex to make, but the nice thing about both of these cocktails is that you can batch them in advance, so you don't have to be making drinks while you're having a party.
He's always
Makes things a
thinking.
lot easier.
He's always thinking.
He's taking care of it all.
What makes the tea one?
So you take bourbon, steep a black tea bag in it for about 15 minutes, and then you add what's called oleosaccharum, which is a fancy name for just like a citrus oil. I made it at home last night.
Oh.
So it's lemon peels in sugar. You let that sit for like 8 to 24 hours, and then you get an oil out of it. And it's super delicious, really, really wonderful.
You can do that, or you just call him.
Yeah,
And you
I'm
ask
happy
him
to
to
go to
make it.
any party.
Sean, do you deliver?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we're in the same neighborhood, so that'd be perfect.
Oh, that's right. Oh, I'm the only one that's not going to.
You got to come to New Jersey,
Let's
baby.
try. Let's try the.
I have a feeling I'm going to love this one.
This one I'm very into. It's
Okay.
probably my favorite of the 3.
Oh, that's refreshing.
It is so good, and you know what? It's like a sweet tea that I can get behind.
It
Because
is.
I'm not a sweet tea fan.
And thank
is.
you for making that oleosaccharum,
It's so good, right?
because that you can taste the difference.
And the nice thing is, because you make a big batch of
I
it,
don't wanna put
so
it
you
down.
can also put it on
Right.
yogurt, you can put it on granola. So if you want to like be a little bit healthy, while you're also having
The
cocktails.
oleosaccharum, not the
Okay,
drink.
thank
Not
you.
you don't put
Those
this
dots
in your
were not
yogurt.
connecting.
You do the oleosaccharum in the other stuff. I love it. Last but not least.
The ginger julep.
Yes, so the ginger julep, this is actually a Bobby Flay recipe for Food and Wine.
We love him.
Love the recipe. It's really, really great. So this is just equal parts orange juice, bourbon, add in a ginger simple syrup, which I made at home, but you can also get it wherever. You can order it online. It's super simple. Equal parts water and sugar. Cook it down for about 3 to 4 minutes until it dissolves. Turn off the heat, put in the ginger, let it sit
That's
for about
it.
an hour.
And that's
Huh.
it.
Yeah, strain it out.
Make it yourself. Let's try
Try it out.
Yep.
Let's go. Down the hatch, folks.
Oh, I forgot to cheers.
Cheers. Come on, no bad luck.
Please.
Something about ginger in a cocktail.
It's
You know
nice.
what it is.
I
It's
like all
refreshing.
of them. I think they're all delightful.
They're all fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
I'm happy to be
Flynn.
here.
Do you have a horse in this race?
I do not.
Neither do I.
I couldn't tell you a single
I
pony's
don't know
name.
a single pony, but good luck to
Hope
all
you
of
all
them.
have fun.
And make one of these fantastic.
Or all three. So the latest issue of Food and Wine is on newsstands now. You can also find more ideas at foodandwine.com.
Thank you so much, Sean.